5 myths about residential real estate. Hi, I'm Wendell Hodges, REMAX Associates, and with all the information out there in today's market about residential real estate, I'm still surprised by how often I hear the same misinformation repeated. So today, let's talk about the 5 real estate myths. Myth number 1, you need 20% down to buy a home. Well, this simply isn't true. There's loan programs out there, even zero down, especially if you're a military veteran. The FHA loans typically start and require only 3.5%, while conventional loans require sometimes as low as 3%. While 20% may be great if you can do it, it's not a requirement to become a homeowner in today's real estate market. Now, myth number 2, I'll never qualify to buy a home. You might be surprised. Many people qualify and they don't even know it. You don't need an 800 credit score to get improved. And with over 80% of homes being sold recently under $400,000, there are affordable options. A good lender can tell you what you qualify for, and if you're not quite there, they can help you build a plan to get there. I'm happy to connect you with some trusted lenders if you need help. Myth number 3, I need to price my house high and leave room to negotiate. This strategy can actually backfire. You know, the first 30 days on the market is the most crucial. That's when you get the most attention on your home, and if it's overpriced, it's going to sit there. The longer it sits, the more chances you have of taking a lower offer. You're more likely to sell if you price it correctly in the beginning. A skilled agent will price it right, market it aggressively, and get you top dollar. Myth number 4, the less commission I pay, the more I'm going to make. Well, that's not always true. Discount brokers, yeah, they will save you on commission, but they often cost you a lot more in the end. Experienced agents know how to price, how to market, and how to negotiate your property to get you a lot more on your net, even after commission. Like anything else, you get what you pay for. Myth number 5, all agents are the same. Well, that's far from it. Some agents are part-time and only do a couple of deals a year, while others, like myself, are full-time professionals committed to excellence. The right agent can make a big difference in how much you earn and how smoothly that process is going to go. The bottom line, don't let the myths hold you back. If you have questions and want to talk strategy, I'm only a phone call away, or you can message me. I appreciate you watching today. I'll see you next time. I'm Wendell Hodges, REMAX Associates.